March 17th, we've got our lines on the concrete. So laundry room. That's where the pantry would be. Laundry room to the end. It's the entry off the garage. Arch. This is where the refrigerator goes right here. And here, that's the entry into the dining room. And you're in the kitchen here. Let me show you where we are. So we're right here along the long bank on the main arch. End of the arch, another entryway there. Over here, you can see the door, window, window, window. Got a door going into the sunroom. Window, 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 window. There are about 20 windows in here, all the way around. Go over here. This is the dining room again. Dining room, this is where the middle section's going. Another arch right here.
Bobby would be Bobby John.
Here's what our front door entry will look like. Here's our stairs. Right there starts here, goes to where Matt's feet are.
Take a left on some street.
All the way around.
Go over the golf course and then take a left.
This is where the half bath is, powder room. This here is the formal living room. This is the hallway.
And I used to get so lost in there.
Master closet.
Yeah, that's a nice neighborhood. Very nice neighborhood.
This is the commode. Master bedroom or bathroom. This is his vanity. Her vanity. Bathroom. You got the door comes right through here. Goes into the main entry door. This is a hallway. Comes into there.
It's funny because
Comes down. This is the fireplace.
that one, I want the big dining because they're a big family gathering.
And that's pretty much it. Rear door right here. They haven't finished marking it. Window, 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 and window. And one more window. And that's pretty much it. Matt, Mom, you gotta wave. Gotta wave.